In front of me is Doogee S90, and let me show you how to activate installation of apps from unknown sources on the following device. So first of all, you have to open the settings, then find and select apps and notifications right here, and then scroll down, click on advanced options and go to special app access. Here you will notice at the bottom of the list install unknown apps, and you can smoothly give permission to some particular application. So for example, if you would like to give this permission to Google Drive, just mark Google Drive and then allow from this source. And then you can pick whichever application you would like to give this permission to, just make the indicator active, and that's it. So basically that would be all. This is how you can activate installation of apps from unknown sources. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.